How to disable strangers message in Sausage Man game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you want more privacy while playing Sausage Man, you can limit or disable messages from players who aren't on your friend list. First of all, launch open the Sausage Man game on your device. From the main lobby screen, go to the upper right corner and tap on the menu button. Now in the pop-up, click Settings. Inside the Settings tab that appears on the screen, go ahead and scroll down to Privacy from the left and click on it. Inside Privacy, look for this Allow Stranger Messages button and click on Close right underneath it. Once you select Close, this will disable messages from strangers in Sausage Man. Disabling the stranger message does not affect messages from players already on your friend list. And now you have successfully disabled the Allow Stranger Messages in the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.